on August 13th. And 4 sneak peek previews will be releasing on June 26th.
7 enjoyable friends who had lived in Pelwood, VyondCity, where 7 friends stay at the hotel since over 7 years, even when it's generous to take actions of adventures including the most beyond ideas, all of which had fun adventures around VyondCity. But there's one friend who had joined here, she's from South Borlet, VyondCity.
A new friend that has arrived soon that she was from South Borlet, VyondCity.
The Filmocity Festival in West VyondCity premieres on March 3rd, the East VyondCity premieres on March 6th, North on July 9th and South on July 27th.
They live in this apartment, just 7 of them.
Amy lives in her house with her younger sister. Her older brother is inside his room.